Good data drives your business strategy forward. But data is massively growing. And cleaning it up and getting it where it needs to be is difficult and so expensive. Your many tools try, but you can't easily find what you need when you need it. And that's bad for business. What's that? Oh, that's just our observa-billy-goat. Observability data is our whole thing at Cribl and Goats. Our suite of products puts you in total control. Cribl Stream is a vendor-agnostic observability pipeline. It helps collect, reduce, enrich, and route your data. Run it at the edge. And find your data anywhere with search. Get the right data, in the right formats, to the right destinations, at the right time, and start living the stream. Take control of your data with Cribl.